Well, happy GIS Day to you, to everyone, actually. This is a special day. It's now in its 21st year, this celebration. And the idea behind it was to share and illuminate the incredible work going on by GIS professionals around the world to the rest of the world. So that means opening up and sharing to managers or your colleagues in other departments or in other organizations the power of what geography, geographic science, and GIS tools are really delivering in today's world. And they are doing an amazing job. They're responding to virtually every kind of activity. They're making things more efficient. They're making decisions better. They're addressing the big challenges like COVID this year, opening and illuminating the world's eyes to what's going on, how we're all interconnected. It's being used in fighting fires and disaster response and making cities safer and looking at how to organize our information so we can make better decisions in planning and in resource allocation. Anyway, you know all of that. This is the time to celebrate, to connect with your colleagues in other organizations, to share with kids in school, to inspire them to look to geography as a way to create a better world. Building the next generation is a part of the GIS Day celebration. Let me close by simply saying thank you for all of your work and happy GIS Day.
Y recuerda, aprender es tu superpoder.